In this video, I'm going to show you how to link Excel file to Wix. Let's get started. First, you want to make sure you're working on the website that you want to work on. To make sure, on the left-hand side, you have My Site, and then two sites will be listed. If you go to All Sites, it will list all the sites that you have or created on Wix. But on the site that you want to work on, make sure it has a check mark. And then beside Dashboard, you want to click on Design Site. Now, on your site, we want to add a Excel file here. To do that, on the left side panel, you want to go to Add Elements and then scroll down or hover your mouse until you see Button. And on the button, you want to go to Buttons and then Document Buttons. You will see a few options here. You could even customize them in the way that you want, but this one here, this one looks really good. So to add this, just drag and drop or just click. But I want to drag and drop. Let's say I want to add this here. A option will pop up. Now it's up to us if we have a specific folder for that Excel file, but let's upload a media and upload from computer and upload the Excel file that you want. I want this one. Wait for it to upload and then add to page. You could also make this smaller if you want, or you could do design and just change the design right here. You could also go to settings and then you could change the tile. Let's say download sample. You could even not show the tile if you want, but let's show the title. Download sample. Now, if you preview this, it should look exactly like this. Okay. If you hover your mouse and then click on it, it will download a specific file, the specific file that you added. And that is how to link Excel file to Wix. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.